Hey man, say what's up YouTube, back with another video. Oh my, hold up. Hey man, say man, what's up YouTube? Life with Jason here, back with another video. Back with another POV drive. You feel me? But you subscribe, like the video, turn your post notifications on, we run it up. We ready to get monetized real soon. That's the goal. I ain't gonna lie, it's kinda hot in here, I got the heat on. I'm gonna window down a little bit, but it's kinda loud in here. But anyway, yeah, make sure you like this video, got no socks on, and when I get to the highway, I'll start recording. You know how we get. When I get to the highway, I'll start recording, you know how I get. I was ready to say, bro, people on Baltimore, they really can't drive, like, they make me so mad, like, I can't explain, like, road rage is a real thing. It really is. I'm about to window up real quick. Especially that nigga right there, he was blowing me. Srt, so, I'm trying to focus the thingy. Alright, now it's focusing. Alright, see what I'm saying? We in the Q50 today. We in the Q50, cut it up a little bit. I gotta go to school, by the way. I gotta drop off my books. I'm kind of late with that. I forgot all about that during the school year. Not gonna lie. I ain't let that car went through a whole blizzard. All that salt on the back. You need a wash. I washed my car yesterday too. It's like amazing now. Wait, what is that rattling sound? That radar, yeah, sound gets so annoying. It's really bugging me today. Probably because kept interrupting me when I was talking. I need niggas move out the way. But yeah, I seen y'all been liking these POV drives. My last one that did so well, only got like 26 views. I think I just checked, but I'm not letting it discourage me. I'm gonna keep posting these. My other two, they did over like 400 views, I want to say. I know one of them got like 6 or 7 now. It was like, yeah, I think it was like 706, something like that. But I mean, y'all been following them, so I'm gonna keep bringing them. Only had one bad one, but like I said, that's not really discouraged me. I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna vlog my New Year's Eve night. Oh, look at all this traffic, bro. That is I'm really trying to cut up here, but it's a longer drive. I gotta go all the way in the city. But shit, I might take another route, bro. Stay over there, bro. I'm trying to come over for the giga. I know people probably watching, looking at me like, is this man recording while he drive? Yeah, I am, mind your business. My arm is tired already again, I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been holding up for like 5 minutes, I feel like. Man, I'm ready to talk about these parlays. These parlays be stressing me out. I lost a 10 leg by 2 the other day. I was so mad. It was like for 800. Like, bro, I feel like fuck FanDuel. I'm sorry. It's rigged, bro. I'm ready to stop betting. I'm gonna chill out to the playoffs. I feel like the playoffs, I don't know. I feel like I might win during the playoffs. I don't know if sport betting still a thing during the playoffs or whatnot, but I'm gonna definitely do it if it is. I feel like it might be more easier. I don't know. I always bet small shit too. I be trying, like, I always make like one crazy leg. I don't know why, it's kind of dumb, but I need to start doing that too. You know, I just put like $1, I'll just make it like a fucking 15 leg, we're here for a band, or something crazy number. Bro, it's really hot in here, man. I don't know why. Nah, it was just cold the other day, like 6 degrees. It was ready for 50. That's why. Bro, that shit is so loud. Hold on. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get back to vlogging this weekend. It been too cold to really vlog or do anything, so I just been chilling. There it is. G7. That's the drop top convertible. They got a SRT Ultima right there. That gotta be the thumbnail. I race an SRT Ultima. I don't really be seeing no smoke on the streets no more. Like, I just see hella nice cars. I don't see nobody no more. Because it was like when I'm not vlogging, recording, I see a nice car, I'm like, damn, wish I was recording. I didn't get a habit just to carry my camera with me every day, just because I never know. Because my phone got no type of storage. That's why I bought this camera in the first place. I can't even see it. I can see it now. Yeah, I can see it. GX, what was it, G7X I think? Mark III, yeah, it was one. But bro, these niggas be driving so slow. They cut it off, I'm burning too much gas for y'all. There's nowhere to go. Hopefully my way back home, I'm cool going back home too. There'll be less traffic. But yeah, look at the Ultima trying to cut up. I don't know why I follow him. I definitely was not no good the way he was going. Oh, break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down. Yo, the Ultima driver, they scared me. Oh my God. He ready blind. Look, you hear that? Dang, look at this mirror. Somebody side swipe him. Man, that shit is like dangling. Bro. There's really nowhere to go for you, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too. Yeah_J, man. Hit my Instagram. I will reply though. I will reply. I would not be a Hollywood ass nigga. I'll reply to y'all. And I follow back, so go ahead and follow me on my socials. I'll drop it. Oh shit. But yeah, I need to get into promoting my page more, like on different platforms, bro. But I can't explain why. It's kind of hot in here. I thought that shit said 100 degrees, but I don't know why it said 1 o'clock. I'm not gonna. I might film 2 more videos there and right make a recommend to people why they should buy a Q50. The second of things I like about my Q50. I might actually make 3. The third one is like what I don't like about the Q50. Some things I could say, I ain't gonna lie. But open to go on a cop on that side. But I would definitely do that for y'all. Man, I know a lot of people probably search that up. That's something I should have did before I bought this car though too. I just wanted the car. Damn, all them big ass trucks taking hella rocks up. What's that, Srt Durango? Thumbnail. Got a quick, easy thumbnail right there. I can't lie to you. But yeah, I'm ready to go on the main road. So when I get back on the highway, I put the camera up, so I chop it up with y'all again. And yeah, I'm gonna film those 2-3 videos I was talking about as well. Find a nice little parking lot. I record for y'all when I get there. And I also got another carbon fiber lip coming with the mail. Damn, it's a T35. What's up, my man? This kind of all got a facelift. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I'll film this when I get back on the highway. I'll pick the camera for y'all. Gang. Hey man, I'm back. What's up, boys? The whole library for my school is closed. I'm a dumbass. I should have like did some research before I wasted my gas. But hey, I wanted to make a video today, so I mean I needed somewhere to go, I guess. But let me hopping around. It was like 50 degrees. I just seen a snowman on the side of the street. I just found that real crazy. Like it's kind of warm today, and we had no snow. Like where y'all get snow from to make a fucking snowman in this weather? But the other day was real cold, but like it was no snow at all. It's salt everywhere in the road still. But I might throw the club at the snowman in if it's like clear enough. Damn, a fat ass rock that's in my windshield. It'd be from the fucking trucks on fat ass tires. Kicking shit up freely. Don't like that from when shit breaks out of the road. I really know people probably look staring at my car. They ain't for getting over, bro. I was ready to cut over. Bro, he kicking hella rocks up. I know my shit dirty now. I just put my car. Man, they got hella BMWs up there. Sheesh. Policia. Man, he's scaring me, dog. Who's blowing up my phone like that? But not gonna lie, this will be the end of the video. I want to listen to some music on my way home. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. We're on the road to 1K subs, man. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. Keep sharing these videos too, man. I'm out. Gang.